Hi everyone, welcome to ISMA Student Channel. August 15th holds a special place in the hearts of Indian public that the country got independence from British rule, which is India. So let us know how the country India got independence. Clement Attlee, who was the Prime Minister of United Kingdom at the period of 1940s, announced that the British government would grant full self-government to British India by 3rd June 1948. But, however, Lord Mountbatten, as the new Viceroy of India in February 1947, changed the British plan after a historic meeting with major political parties on June 3, 1947. He decided that 15th August of that year, which means 1947, is the perfect day for India to get independence. And finally, the Indian independence was officially declared at the fifth sitting of the Constitutional Assembly of India in the Constitution Hall, which is now the Parliament House. On the intervening night of August 14th and 15th, the session began at 11 pm with the recitation of Vande Mataram by freedom fighter Sucheta Kriplani. This was followed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad delivering his first speech, which began with the lines, "In this solemn hour of our history, when after many years of struggle we are taking over the governance of our country India, let us recall in grateful remembrance the services and sacrifices of all those men and women, known and unknown, who with smiles on their face walked to the punishments or faced bullets on their hearts." And also the India's first Prime Minister, who is Jawaharlal Nehru, also delivered his famous speech on the event of India's Independence Day. August 15th, 1947. Celebrations began at 8 am with Prime Minister Nehru and his newly redesigned General Governor Lord Mountbatten taking oath inside Hall Rashtrapati Bhavan. And finally, Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the national flag at Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in New Delhi. And from that day to this day, no one tried to rule our country India. Okay friends, this is how the India got independence from British rule. If this video gives you some knowledge, then like this video, share it with your friends through social media, leave a comment below how the video is, and to see more and more interesting videos like this, then subscribe to this ISMA Student channel by activating the notification bell. Thank you for watching.